Hey, I'm John Vaughn. I'm the founder of Friender. And since I'd rather spend my time making amazing software and improving Friender so that it's better for all our customers and it helps them make even more millions and millions of dollars from organic marketing on their personal Facebook profiles. Instead of spending a lot of time here making, hook story offer, digging into your emotions, telling you my origin story, where Friender came from, instead of doing all this marketing stuff to try to convince you to give me your email address so you can get your free Friender account and set up your free trial and see how this really moves the needle for your business and gets you leads and helps save you time. Instead of doing all that, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over how Friender works and how it can help you and show you the inside of the platform, and then you can figure out very easily why you want to go ahead and get your free account set up. So how Friender works. Step one, you're just going to go in and you're going to perform this initial scan, and Friender is going to instantly map out your entire Facebook ecosystem. The moment you connect your Facebook account, Friender is going to perform a deep scan of your friends list. So you're going to be able to actually see all your recent engagers. You'll even be able to actually see your top performing post. So you're going to be able to instantly see how many real active friends you have, which posts are driving the most engagement, who's most likely to convert, what your organic growth potential is. This gives you a very crystal clear snapshot of your current Facebook influence. It becomes the foundation for your automated growth. Friender is also going to allow you to find the people who actually don't engage and have never engaged in your content. And if you want, with just a click of a button or even through automated processes, you can just go in and you can unfriend those people, which is going to boost your reach on the content that you create. But don't worry if you're thinking, oh, I don't want to lose all my friends. That's where step two comes in. New leads 24/7. So Friender provides an automated engine that's going to get you new leads 24/7. Friender finds your perfect leads around the clock automatically. With just a few minutes of setup, Friender is going to be able to pull in unlimited targeted leads from Facebook groups, any Facebook group, including using keywords and filters, comments and reactions on any post or ad on Facebook, suggested friends, friends of friends, custom-based keyword filters. You're able to upload lead lists. Friender is going to find you leads 24/7, send out friend requests. It can even send out messages. It can even send out messages with the friend request or whenever somebody accepts the friend request. And these leads are added to your request queue and they're sent safely using a randomized timing and smart scheduling so that your friend list grows every single day while you sleep and you don't risk getting in any type of trouble from Facebook. Now, step number 3, automated outreach. Personalized conversation starts automatically without sounding automated. Friender is going to allow you to do so much types of automated messaging where you can send a message when someone accepts your friend request. You can send a message whenever you send a friend request. You can send a message when someone sends you a friend request. You can send a message when you reject a friend request, when someone rejects your friend request, when you accept a friend request. All right, you can send automated birthday. You can send automated birthday messages. You can send out broadcast message campaigns. So Friender includes powerful outreach tools that feel personal, not robotic. You're going to be able to send auto messages around incoming, outgoing friend requests, like when you receive them or send one. You're going to be able to build out full messaging sequences. You're going to be able to go in and set up broadcast campaigns, and you're going to be able to automatically DM anyone who comments on your post as well. You'll be able to go in and actually set up automations on your post to automatically reply and send out messages to anyone who comments on your post. This means every new friend can become a warm lead and without you having to manually type these messages to them. And step number 4, your entire Facebook audience finally becomes a real CRM, fully automated. Friender overlays a full CRM on top of Facebook. So if you look on Facebook, Friender is going to actually overlay a full CRM on top of Facebook, where you're going to be able to see all the details about everybody. So you're going to be able, and this is right while you're on Facebook, you're going to be able to tag and label contacts. You're going to be able to keep notes on every lead. You're going to be able to segment your audience with tags and labels. You can build multi-step automation workflows. You can trigger messages, tags, and sequences based on activity. So for example, you can go in and just add a tag, and whenever you add a tag to somebody, that can trigger a full automation workflow inside Friender. So for example, if I'm on Facebook doing organic marketing and somebody says they want to try Friender out, I can offer them a free Friender account. Once I offer them a free Friender account, I can just change their label to offered them offered a Friender trial, or I can even add a tag to them. And once I do that, it will actually just start this automation that's then going to send a message that's going to deliver them the information, and then it's going to wait a day and it's going to follow up with them and follow up with them. So you can have inbuilt follow-up sequences so that you never lose track of leads. You can have onboarding sequences, and Friender is going to handle all the repetitive follow-up and nurturing behind the scenes, freeing you to focus on actual conversations and closing clients. So all the things that can be automated, Friender is going to automate them. If you're doing two-step post and you're making a two-step post where you're asking people to raise their hand if they want this, Friender will be able to go in and listen to keywords when they comment on your post and go ahead and automatically reply to them and send a message out to them in Messenger. And then you can even add a tag there, which is going to automatically follow up with them. So how that would work is I would create a post, let's say on Facebook, and say, hey, are you interested in a free trial? Comment Friender below. People comment Friender on my post. I put in Friender as a keyword. It automatically replies to all the comments on the post, and then it sends out a message. And in the message, you can use merge fields. You can use their first name. You can use a spin tax. You can include images. You can include links. You can include smart breaks, so you can break the message up into multiple messages, and you can start the conversation after they comment on your post. Then you can add a tag at the same time, which will then automatically follow up with them. So this is just a taste of what Friender can do. So hopefully now you can actually understand what Friender does and how it actually helps you. Our pricing is extremely customer friendly. You can check the pricing right down below. We have a free account that costs you nothing, that allows you to still go in and get all the data, allows you your engagement sync, where you can see your top post, what posts are actually performing. So you can do all this on our free account. On our free account, you'll be able to go in, you'll be able to scan, you'll be able to see all your posts, you'll be able to sort here by engagement and see what posts have the top engagement. You'll be able to actually sort by which posts have the most unanswered comments, so you can go in and actually find leads. You'll be able to get your growth analytics. You can get your happy birthday wisher and wish happy birthday messages to all your friends automatically. You'll be able to track incoming friend requests. So as people send you incoming friends, you'll be able to actually track that data so that you have important data, so that whenever you're looking at your leads, either in Friender or on the Facebook platform overlay yourself, you'll be able to see where did that friend come from. You'll be able to see all sorts of information about that lead, so that you actually know what's going on. All of that you're able to do on our free account that costs you absolutely nothing. And you can see the rest of our prices down below. Very, very, very customer friendly. If anything, Friender's underpriced compared to the market, compared to similar tools. There's tools that do half of what Friender does. There's 5 or 6 tools that you can go string together that would do all of what Friender does, or would try to do what Friender does. And compared to all that, we're completely underpriced, and we over-deliver. We way over-deliver compared to what it costs you for Friender. So if it seems like you're somebody with a Facebook account and you want to grow your reach, you want to grow your audience, and you want to make more money from your Facebook account selling your products or services, or as an affiliate marketer, course creator, or even someone who's just using Facebook and you're monetizing your content on Facebook. If you want a better Facebook experience, if you want to grow your network and grow your reach and be able to make more money while saving time, Friender is for you. So you can go ahead, you can put your email in, you can get started right now with your free account, or you can sign up for our free trial on one of our paid accounts to see the full features and experience the full power of Friender.